Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to do a reset on a FitBit Charge 2. Okay, so the things you're going to need to do a reset is obviously the Fitbit tracker itself. You'll need your charging cable, the original one would be preferable, and a power source for the charger. In this case I'm using a laptop. So what you need to do is connect up your tracker to the charger as you would normally, and make sure that it comes up saying that it's charging. There we go. Might need a little click to get it into place. Once you see the battery charging icon is there, what you need to do is get access to the button on the side of the charger and press the button in for about 15 seconds. Now if you haven't got nails, you may need a pair of scissors or some sort of sharp device to get to the pin, but in this instance I'm going to use some scissors. Sometimes if you can't get the button just right, give the charger a bit of a wiggle. And eventually it'll come up with the Fitbit logo. So now detach it from the charger. And now your Fitbit should be fully functional. If you've got any questions or comments, put them in the box below. But I've been Mike. This has been the FitBit Charge 2 reset procedure, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.